Hey guys, it's Candace, and in today's QuickBooks tips and tricks, I want to show you when you go in to click on Receive Payment. If you're ever applying payments, you have the check in front of you, you know the invoice number, but maybe you don't, somebody else paid for it. What you can do is actually click on the Look Up Customer Invoice right here, and you can look it up by number. So if they just put the check, they put the number, but maybe the person's name doesn't match the account, that kind of thing, but you have the invoice number, you can look it up by invoice number. If you have the amount, you can look it up by the amount, or you can look it up in a range of an amount. You can also look it up by date range, the company name, the job, or the customer account number if they've entered that. So let's say that, you know that the invoice number is 134. You can type in 134 and click search, and it will find the invoice and you can select it. If you know the dollar amount they wrote the check for, maybe they give a breakdown, it's $535, you can look it up that way, and there would be the check there as well. And then you just click on it, go ahead and put in the information again, and you go through the process, select it, and save and close it just like normal. But I really like this feature. I have a client every now and then, I help them with their books, and they'll send me an invoice number, but they don't tell me which customer it's for. All I have is a dollar amount or an invoice number. And so I'll have to go kind of do some research to find it. And I really like this feature versus having to go over here, edit, find, and use this feature. You can use it directly inside the payment. So if you collect payments for somebody, or your customers sometimes pay you, but you don't always, they have a different name on the check than who the customer is, or different things like that. This is a really nice feature. Hope you guys enjoyed this tip. If you're looking for more training on QuickBooks and you enjoy my tips and tricks, feel free to join and I will email them to you when I send them out. Or if you're looking for an overall course that walks you through all areas of QuickBooks, check out confidencewithquickbooks.com, my online course. And you guys can work with me privately. I only work with a few clients a week, but you can check into that. Have an amazing day. I look forward to seeing you guys around. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Have a great day. Bye.